Hey, Plant Science, week 3, let's go! I hope you guys had a really great long-ish weekend. Kind of sucks that we had to kind of stay home a little bit, and I had to stay home and didn't get to go home and see my family. But I spent 3 days just not thinking about school and kind of separating myself from everything that's going on, and it felt really good. So I hope that you have had the chance or have made the chance to just take some time for yourself. That's really, really important, especially as you're trying to balance so many things and just kind of like manage this whole distance learning thing. So anyway, I hope you had a really great weekend because I did. I didn't do anything and it was awesome. So week 3, let's go. This week, we're gonna take a real quick pause from different parts of the plant and we're going to do an activity called CSI Greenhouse. So your plants are still alive. Like, let's just be clear, your plants are still alive out in the greenhouse, but there might be some issues. So what we're doing with this CSI greenhouse activity is you guys are going to take a look at your plants and kind of analyze what's going on. I have not been doing anything but watering them. I've been so focused on all this distance learning stuff that I haven't really had a chance to kind of keep track of them, like how they're growing or like what they're doing. So you're going to do that. I took a picture. So each of you, okay, real quick pause. This assignment is not linked on the weekly plan. You have to go into your Google Classroom to get it because each of you, like if you're in a group with people that have lettuce, you got assigned like that group's lettuce. So you and your partner, like you and your group are working on the same document. If you guys want to work together on this activity, you totally can. Like you still have to hand in 2 separate documents, but you can totally work together on it if you would like. So what I did is I went out and I took some pictures of your plants. So for example, this is an example of what that might look like. This is, I think this is Kayleen's. So I took some pictures of your plants. I tried to get up close a little bit. I also took a picture of the pH is going to be the big number and the temperature is going to be the smaller number, just to kind of give you an idea of like all of the factors that are influencing your lettuce. You are going to make some observations. What do you see in your lettuce? Is it growing well? Is it growing slowly? Do you think it's large? Do you think it's small? What do the leaves look like? What color are they? That kind of thing. And then you're going to also do a little bit of research about ideal growing conditions for butter crunch lettuce, just to kind of give us an idea like, do I have the greenhouse set at the right temperature? I'm not 100% sure. You're then going to look a little bit at some of your symptoms. Again, some of you have it's super weird looking at all of your lettuces. Like you all have different issues with your lettuce, I think. I don't think that you all have the same problem. So what you're going to do is you're going to do a little bit of a web class and you're going to tell me what is wrong with your lettuce based on the symptoms that you're seeing. Okay. You're going to tell me the cause. You're also going to tell me other symptoms of this problem. So like if this problem continues, what else would we see? And then you're going to give me underneath, how can I fix this? You're going to give me some recommendations on like tell me what I need to do in order to make your plants better. And I'm going to be 100% honest, you guys. Like I have not done a ton of research about each of your lettuces. So I need to know what I need to do in order to be able to fix this. I can do a lot of different things, but you have to tell me what I need to do. Hope that makes sense. If it doesn't make sense, let me know. You were also assigned a second plant. So again, some of my greenhouse plants are struggling a little bit. So you're going to be looking at your lettuce as well as one of the other greenhouse plants to kind of, again, same thing, observations. What are the ideal growing conditions for the plant that you've been assigned? And then what's the problem with that particular plant? Like I said, you can find this in Google Classroom. You've each been assigned a different one, so you're all going to have different plants. Again, your lettuce and another plant. You're going to turn this in, though, on the Google Doc right here. I'm giving you 2 days to work on this because I think it might take you a little bit longer than the 20 to 30 minutes that we're supposed to spend on our daily activities and daily lessons. So you have 2 days to work on this and then it needs to be turned in down here. The Thursday is going to be more essential vocabulary. We're looking at leaves this time. So same drill as before, looking at leaf words, fill it out, turn it in. And then Friday is going to be a lab on photosynthesis, similar to the Nearpod lab we did a couple weeks ago on roots. I'm just at at the time of this videotaping, I am not finished with the lab, so it will be done by Wednesday or Thursday. I just haven't had a chance to kind of finish it up. It will be done. That will be on Nearpod, and when you come back on Thursday or Friday, it should be linked right here. As always, please, please, please reach out if you have questions or anything. Let me know what you need. I'm here to help you as much as possible. Good luck, guys. Have a great week.